What's up with y'all? Another video. Y'all can see here y'all with a ride reaction. And today, well, I'm at Joe Buddy Racing. I'm just sitting right now waiting on my boy Steven to pull up, another YouTube creator. Y'all definitely want to check him out, man. He got some bad content, man. That man gets down. Long time supporter and all that, subscriber too. This man like fam and everything. And right now, I'm finna move this car out the way cause I got a truck coming through. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm finna slide out the way. Alright y'all, so look, we here. I got my buddy Steven here.
What's up, y'all?
Hey look, go ahead and tell these people, you know the process. We gotta do the interview. Well, drop your YouTube channel first, cause I told him
Steve Davis, man. I do a little bit of everything. Motor work, paint, body, wiring, audio, like all of it.
Yeah, he do everything, y'all. He do everything. I'm talking about got 1,000,001 cars.
I think we got like 9 cars.
He got 9 cars.
Go pick up another car.
Yeah, he got a 2-door box project he doing right now. Y'all definitely want to tune in for that. But hey, look, what's the fastest thing you done rode in so far?
It wasn't even all that fast, but a Bentley Continental GT.
Okay, Bentley Continental. So look, this is my boy right here too now. Like he been long time supporting everything. He done saw the video. So what you expecting out this thing though? What you expecting?
I don't know. I'm just like, hey, am I gonna be able to touch the dash? When you get the game, I'm like, you gonna throw me in the back seat? What's gonna happen?
So we about to get into it, y'all. Y'all see Uncle over there? We at Joe Buddy Racing. He got some stuff going on, so y'all go check his channel out. Hey, appreciate everybody that subscribed. He just hit 1,000. He just hit 1,000 subscribers yesterday in under 3 weeks. So appreciate everybody that subscribed and showed love. But we about to get into this ride reaction. I'm about to see what he about to do. Ain't no telling. Might give y'all a little time smoke in the vlog. So my buddy Tim truck. He didn't want to see it on the video anyway. The rear end, man, something going on the rear end, so you gotta get that patched up. So y'all see one tire, man. Oh yeah, it's only one tire. He got a posi in it, but you know it's slipping. The clutch is slipping. Oh yeah. Gotta get warmed up. It's cold, y'all. I knew we were gonna do it. I knew we were gonna do it. So y'all got some tire smoke, but we about to get into the ride race. Alright y'all, so look, we tuning in. Me and my boy Steven. About to go to one of my legendary roads. I say that. Y'all saw he did the video with the big block, but he didn't have that motor then. He had like I think a 406, and I had the big block.
I want to see the other shop. They got all the stuff stored in.
Oh yeah, it's right up the street. I should have got the key from him. But he got another shop close by too. So this is right here on the street. it's a little down. It's a little wet on the ground. It ain't heavy, but
You gotta go.
she gotta use the bathroom. We're gonna take her back to the shop right quick. She can use the bathroom. She gotta use the bathroom, y'all.
Can you hold it or you scared?
Okay.
I'm gonna get you some tissue. When you go to that gas station, I'll get some tissue real quick.
Alright, yeah, man, that was a ride there. We couldn't get no traction.
That thing sideways.
Even in high gear, man. Usually when I get it up to speed, the third gear, usually get traction, but like I said, it's a little wet on the ground, but we had to make this one happen. We had to.
Card bill I did. I think I'm about to do. Yeah, I'm about to do both. Nitrous on one and the turbo on the other.
Yeah,
I just want to see.
I like having both of them. A whole lot of spinning. A whole lot of spinning, man.
You be getting pulled over?
Never. I don't drive it like that. I don't drive it crazy though until I'm doing this. If I'm just driving it just to drive it, I just drive it normal. Yeah, I don't be doing no crazy stuff. We need to come up here anyway. I need to put some more gas in this thing. I love the fact I can put pump gas in this car. All right, y'all. So look, we back. Steven, what's your afterthoughts, man? What you think?
This thing, it's running. It's pulling good, man.
So
Can't wait my turn.
I was just about to say, how long gonna be on yours now?
On that one, I got all the parts. I just ain't got the time. But all I need is a converter. I don't know how long the 4L60 gonna last, but I'm gonna beat it till it don't work.
Right.
No more. That's how I go.
Hey, I'm trying to tell you. Hey, so look, so drop all your social media one more time so they can know where to find you.
On Instagram, Steve Davis_CG. On YouTube, Steve Davis, and then Steven Davis on Facebook.
Alright, and look, I'm gonna put all that on screen, man. Y'all make sure, hey, go flood him, cause this fam, man, he like fam. Go flood him for real.
Thanks.
And yeah, that's it. So he got some sick stuff coming. It been an epic video. And y'all definitely gonna want to check his channel out too, cause he actually drove the car. I let him drive the car, cause like I said, they like fam. So y'all gonna want to check that video out on his channel. So when he get it up, y'all will see it. So we